Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking lilacs, such a fabulous late spring flower, often ready just in time for Mother's Day. Depending on where you are though, they're starting to get it almost year round. How to keep it alive as long as possible so you can enjoy the scent? 2 ways. 1, use your pruner, cut it at a slant, but then go back using your knife and whittle the edges. That whittling will allow it to drink so much more. Then go ahead and put it in a holding bucket pre-mixed with flower food. When you have branches that are together, you'll actually do better if you cut them apart and then whittle each end. That way you've got fewer flowers trying to drink from the same stem, so it keeps them alive longer. Now my favorite way, if you have good hand strength, just go ahead and snap it and tear. It opens up that whole bark. It makes it last so much longer, and it's easier than pruning and whittling. Now you know how the pros do it.